Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening your display controls so you can change fonts right away. On Windows, press Windows plus I, then go to System Display. On Mac OS, open System, Preferences, Displays, or Accessibility. Once there, check the current scaling and resolution because they affect font clarity and size. Make sure any external monitor is connected first. Now locate the text or display size option. This is the first actionable control you'll use to increase font size across apps and menus. Now change the scale and font controls to make text readable without losing layout. Increase the display scale to 125% or 150% for a quick, system-wide boost. Make sure to apply and sign out if prompted. If text looks blurry, adjust resolution one step at a time. Don't drop more than necessary. For specific apps, use built-in font size or view zoom. Browsers and editors have their own settings that override system scaling. Once done, verify menus and dialogues render correctly. Finish by applying changes and restarting if required so the new sizes take effect everywhere. Make sure to test common apps and the login screen. If something breaks, revert to the previous scale or resolution immediately and try a smaller increment. If fonts appear jagged, update or reinstall display drivers and try enabling clear type on Windows. As a key troubleshooting tip, use accessibility tools like magnifier or custom font settings when system scaling causes layout issues. They often solve readability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.